Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. I'm really glad I got this router. It is effective and useful for so many things. As you can see here, we're carving a section out of the wood as a sample. The machine is easily adjustable. This is the way to make doors, cupboards, even baseboard look beautiful. There are gauges here that allow for your settings and speed so that you can set it up to use it the way you like. And it has an auto stop button. So as soon as you let go, it shuts off. This nice fence tool for the router helps to make perfectly straight lines. It is certainly the best carpenter's tool, and I'm very happy to have this in our toolbox. Quite honestly, wow, this is an awesome system, and I love it. And that's my point of view.